With this video, we're going to be looking at how to create a new page for your website. So what you want to do is you're going to open up to your editing or your administrative portal, and you're going to go down the left-hand side where you have your different pages, and you're going to want to click on one of these plus signs. And by clicking on it, it's going to bring up a menu for your new page with the different options that you have. We're going to do an About page and click on this vertical one right here. That's going to pull up at the bottom. It's going to want you to name the page before you start editing it. So name it something. We're going to name this one Practice. It's going to bring up this different thing. So the first thing we're going to do is go into Settings. And you see it has an option to describe your page. So you can put a description in there, but just be careful because certain themes and designs will show this page description in different parts of the page, and others won't show it at all. So here we're going to type it in here, just put a description here, some layouts themes will display it. And we're going to go down to the bottom and click Save. Or before we do that, we're going to go in the media and you can upload an image. So for this one, we're just going to put our block party graphic in there and then hit Save. And so you're going to see it places the block party graphic in there, but it also puts the page description in there as well if you saw that. So now you're going to go and start editing the page. You can change the formatting of the words. You could use the different headings. You could insert code and all of these different things here. So you can mess around with the text and make it and format it so you like the way it looks. You can go and edit the page, and you can insert different content blocks, whether it's text or lines or spacers, however you want to change the layout. You can do that. And now on the left hand side, I just moved the page to the footer navigation, so you're going to see it shows up down at the very bottom. So when moving the page, all you're going to have to do is click and hold and slide into whichever area that you want it to show up into. So we're going to move Practice up into the top, and you'll see this will be up at the top navigation, and now that green button is for our Practice page. So you can slide that around to wherever you want it to fit, or wherever you believe it goes. You can even add it at the end of our scrolling page. So our Plan Your Visit has multiple pages on it, and as you see, it shows up right there at the bottom. But that's all it takes to scroll around or to move your page to where you want to find it. And with that, that's how you're going to add a page to your website. And the last thing we're going to look at is here we're going to drag it back to Not Linked. And we're going to open up the page settings. And in the settings, you're going to be able to see where it says the URL slug. And now what that is at the end of your domain name. So at the end of firstbaptistportland.org, it'll be /practice, and it'll pull up this page automatically. So you could change that to be whatever you want to accurately and easily find your page without having to open up and scroll through and navigate the website. And that's how easy it is, and that's all it takes to design a new page for your website.